and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing a pair of Bluetooth wireless headphones. This is the XFree Go from Tribit. And right now we are looking at the front side of the packaging where we see just the imagery of the product itself with nothing else. On one side we have a few QR codes for their website as well as the social media. And on the other side, we have some features being highlighted, namely that it's comfortable, has a long battery life, it's foldable, and something about the audio quality. On the back of the packaging, we see a few specifications. So let's go through them one by one. It supports Bluetooth version 5.0 with support for profiles that are HFP, HSP, A2DP, and AVR-CP. The drivers within the speakers happen to be 40 millimeters wide. The battery is lithium polymer and it can be charged up to 100% in about 3 hours. And it uses a 5 volt 1 ampere input. So that's mostly USB. And there's nothing else on either side. So we'll go ahead with the unboxing. So first we have some documentation. This is the user manual for the Tribit XFree Go. You should always go through the entire user manual to understand what all comes within the package, how to operate the device, and sometimes it even carries the warranty terms. Aside from that, we have a little pamphlet. This is a note of thanks for the purchase. It also gives you contact information for their support structure. Then you have some mention of money back guarantees, warranty, and lifetime support. So that's all great. You get the headphone with its own carrying case. It's always convenient. You might have a few accessories on the inside as well. When we open it up, we get the cable. And you also get another cable, which happens to be the charging cable. And the 4 headphones themselves are folded and within some sort of plastic wrap. And let's take a look at the cables. So this happens to be a stereo jack. It's a 3-pin stereo jack, which means you wouldn't have the microphone on this cable. It's quite decently long. I would say about 1.2 meters. That's how long this should be approximately. Then you have the charging cable. This is micro USB, as you can see from the port, and it's kind of short. It's about 25 to 30 centimeters long. And then lastly, you have the headphones themselves. It's got nice cushioned ear pads as well as a little bit of cloth to protect the perforations of the speaker grill, or you call it. A little more branding on either side with a few slits. It opens up quite well. Then you have all the interfaces. So you have a little a port for the 3.5 mm audio jack on this side, and on the other cup you have the micro USB port for charging, as well as buttons for volume control as well as power. So this is the button for increasing the volume, to reduce the volume, and the center one is for power. It also doubles up for certain function keys. And then a little on the side you have an LED indicator. I don't know if that's visible. There you go. And a little hole over here as well. So when in Bluetooth mode, you should be able to use the microphone, and this would likely be the hole wherein the mic is situated. And this thing should open up for a little bit of extensibility for bigger heads. And it's using a metal band on the inside, so that adds to the durability. And it's got a nice foam padding at the top. and we had seen that it is foldable. So you've got little hinges at either side. You can fold it this way or you can fold it this way. Kind of makes it convenient. Thank you for watching.